Hello, my lovelies. I hope you all are keeping well. Today, I am making yam and egg sauce. I have started by prepping all the ingredients, and also the yam has been peeled, washed, and once the yam is being put on fire to boil, I will start immediately by making the egg sauce. I will start by heating the oil, and once the oil is hot enough, I'll add the finely chopped onion. I will stir in now the finely chopped onion properly into the oil, and now I will allow that to saute until it is golden brown and aromatic. And you can see how those onions are playing around the oil. And the good thing about onion when sauteed into hot oil is that it gives this aromatic smell that makes you kind of very hungry and are waiting to taste the food you're making. So at this time, I have gotten that color golden brown aromatic onion looking, and I'm now going to be adding the finely chopped fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet, chopped chili, and then I'm now going to stir it in gently, allowing it to mix up properly with the onion. And I'm going to allow this to saute until tomato liquid dries off while maintaining the freshness of the tomatoes. And before allowing that liquid from the tomatoes to dry up, I'm going to be adding curry powder, vegetable seasoning, and stir it in properly. And now I'm going to allow that to cook until the liquid from the tomatoes dries up. And then here I will be adding now the finely chopped green, orange, and red bell peppers. I'm going to also add immediately the minced herbs, garlic powder, and ground ginger. At this point, I'm going to stir it in properly. I would advise that probably this is not the best time to add your salt if you are not good at measuring your salt. Taste for salt if it's needed because of the garlic powder and the seasoning. And if you feel that salt is needed at this time, you can add a pinch of salt, and more can be added if you want after adding the egg. So I'm going now to allow this to cook for about 1 minute because we do not want those peppers at this time to overcook. So once that is cooked after 1 minute, I will be adding here the beaten eggs and allow the eggs spread it out. I'm going to now break those stubborn 2 yolks that have not been whisked in properly. I'll gently now stir in the eggs into the ingredients, and you can see those peppers, onion, tomatoes, all the ingredients playing around. So I'm going to stir this in properly and shake the pan to level that. While the egg is forming, I'm now going to be checking the boiled yam. And this time, while checking the yam is to ensure if the yam is ready. And you can see once it's picked up with the fat, it drops off back. That shows a yam is ready. Back now to the egg sauce, and you can see the egg is forming so well. And I'm going to now gently from side to side stir these eggs in. And once I'm done stirring these eggs in, I'm going to allow it to sit again for another 1 minute or until the egg forms properly to the form or texture that I want it. And now I'm going to reduce the heat totally. While the egg is steaming, I'm going to stir it in until it looks like scrambled egg. And once that is done, I'm going to now turn off the heat because our egg sauce is ready. What do you think from looking at it? Isn't that colorful? Very well inviting, and I promise you the aroma is heaven. And this time I'm going to and give me that thumbs up to keep supporting my channel. I love you all so much. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, it is goodbye.